Oracle earnings are in. Shares are down a solid 10% following the report. And while the shocking news gave the market a reason to sell off, this is not the time to run for cover. Let's dive into this buying opportunity right here, right now. Welcome back to the channel. So we told you over the weekend that we would be here to cover the latest Oracle earnings report. Thomas, thanks for joining me today. So I saw you chatting last night with Dawn. You mentioned Oracle would be a good buy the dip candidate. And in fact, you wrote an article early this morning. It was just released, linked down below, but you had listed 5 reasons why investors would want to buy the dip. And I kind of want to walk through those 5 reasons with you here one by one. If that's okay with you.
Sure, Lacey, let's get it on.
All right. Well, on your number 1 list, you said Oracle grows almost 9%, led by the cloud. And while that sounds good, the stock fell in after hours trading and again this morning as we're recording. So can you explain why you think this is good news?
Yeah, right. This fall is good news because it's shaving 10% off the price of a high quality blue chip tech stock. This company is growing by double digits and it's emerged as a central figure in the AI revolution. The decline isn't really due to fundamentals so much as analyst expectations. The top line fell short of consensus by 16 basis points, 0.16%. That's a very slim margin against very high expectations. I see this as a classic sell the news event, and it should result in a nice buying opportunity.
Thomas, I'm going to be real with you here. I'm not completely sold yet. So if you would, let's move on to margins and cash flow, which is your second reason for jumping into Oracle. What can you tell us there?
Yeah, well, right. So the legacy businesses contracted by 10%, but the whole enterprise grew by 9%, led by the cloud. Within that, margins and cash flow improved. As I said before, the top line results were mixed and they fell short of expectations, but the margins were better than expectations. So free cash flow is improved. And remember what Don and Chris always say, what they like about stocks, people that make profits.
They're always saying money making is a must for them.
Follow the money. And right now in AI, Oracle's making money.
So I see where the outlook wasn't positive, and it might be one of the biggest reasons here for the sell-off. What are your thoughts?
Well, the outlook for Q2 dimmed a little bit because there is some evidence of slowing growth. But as we mentioned a little while ago in a different video shoot, this is the earliest phases of the current revolution of AI. All of this surge of investment spending needs to be consolidated. It's going to result over the next few quarters and year in new apps and new services that will drive another wave of spending and revenue growth for Oracle.
Thomas, we're seeing that analysts are still on board with Oracle. Are you expecting that to continue, though?
Yes, I do. There hasn't been any upgrades or boosted targets since the report was released, but there's been a lot of reiterated and maintained coverage, and that is in support of the trend. Right now, Oracle is riding a wave of new coverage, boosted price targets, and upgrades that has the stock trading at a new high.
Thomas, let's take a look at a chart here. It's been a minute since we've had you talk about charts. I'm sure our viewers would love to see that part of our videos again. But let's take a look at the technical outlook or the indicators that you're seeing that make this a buying opportunity.
Right. Let's pull it up. Right. So you can see right here that Oracle has sold off 10% on that dubiously bad news, but it's already showing signs of support at these long-term moving averages, which is also consistent with this open gap right here. The Oracle market gapped up after Q1 when it became apparent that Oracle was going to be an AI leader. This sell-off right here is nothing more than a consolidation of this move. I see the stock moving sideways from here and regaining the uptrend fairly soon, probably by early next year.
Well, there you have it. There's several compelling reasons to view Oracle as a buying opportunity. The nearly 9% growth led by the cloud sector, strong margin expansion, and improved free cash flow all indicate the potential for long-term success here. Thank you so much for your insights today, Thomas. To our viewers, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Continue the conversation with us down below. We want to make navigating the market easier for you. So let us know what resources you need. Check out the ones that I do have linked for you down below. But until next time, Thomas, we'll talk to you soon.